Hey, how's it going? Today's video is going to be super duper short. I am currently working my way through the Magnus the Red model from Games Workshop. I teased it last time in my video for anybody who cared that I was doing it. And today I'm going to take you through the process I use for painting his skin, base coats, details, and the kind of spectral fading that I've got on the model. I had a couple of friends ask me if I used an airbrush to do it, but I didn't. I'm going to show you how to get that kind of airbrush blending effect with a brush. Really, really simple. It's also going to be really, really short, because Premiere Pro crashed in the middle of making the video and I didn't have time to redo the entire sequence from scratch. But here we are. I'm going to check it out. Tell me what you think in the comments down below, and don't forget to look out for me finishing the model later on in the summer. See you soon. In line with my night models and the project that sort of went along with them, that 3-night project, which you can check out at the top, it's probably one of my favorite projects I've worked on so far. Basing it was really simple: purple with a red shade, and then dry brushing some red base coat over the top. Super straightforward, really nice effect with like layering like a spectral kind of color, and then undercoating the wings with some really dark purple, and then just red shading again to really get that kind of blend between the darker purple and the lighter red on top. From there, it's just working on fading the purple from the wings into a blue, and then just continually dry brushing red on top of these to get more and more of a blending effect before going with the red layer, which is Evil Sun Scarlet, just to bring out the very top sort of striated muscle effect on top of the darker red. And after that, I was just going in with some details and highlighting the edges of muscles just to make them shine a little bit more, and a few more layers of different dry brushes and shades just to get that blend between those details and those deeper recesses. Some really, really fun effects you can get with this, especially like a number of different raised and lowered parts of this model. And whenever I was finished with all of it, I went over the striations again with a little bit of pink, and then dry brush some red over the top just to blend that all in. So I feel like I got the muscles really well highlighted here, especially in the upper body, because I want them to be able to have the armor removed and be visible without it. This was probably one of my favorite parts so far, the most satisfying part anyway, which was to fade dry brush some light blue into red into purple on the hair, just to get a really nice sort of fade all the way up. And whenever you fit into the model, actually give it really, really cool. I did the head separately because I wanted just to get into the face and get more detail. And then before I worked on the armor panels, I just filed them down so they can fit, be taken off and put back on again. But yeah, this is a super short video. Just wanted to show you what I've done so far. I'm really keen to get into the details now and tighten up and fix the rest of the model and just make it work really, really well. You can really see the different faded effects: red, blue, purple, all the different pinks and things coming out in their different sort of flows and fades and things like that. And I'm quite excited with the rest of this model just to get in and make it much more detailed. Yeah, let me know what you think down in the comments. Obviously I didn't touch on some of the cloth effects and the nail effects and things like that, but the bones and stuff like that aren't too difficult, and if there's more to do, I will fill you in on how to do this as well. Yeah, let me know what you think.